Well, we're getting off to a fairly similar start. You want to grab that jacket as you step outside, but temperatures going to struggle to warm up as much as we saw them yesterday, even though we're going to get pretty full sunshine for our Tuesday, only topping out in the middle 50s later on today. Here's a look at some of that cloud cover trying to work its way into some of our northern counties. I think it stays away, though, as we get into the early afternoon hours. High pressure is going to set up shop here as we get into these next couple of days, and that's going to be calling the shots as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. That upper level ridge going to start to work its way overhead, and that's going to bring some warmer weather our direction as we get into Wednesday, even into Thursday. Look at these temperatures. This is not November weather here that we're going to be tracking again as we now get into the middle of the month here. It's supposed to be around the middle 50s. We're going to be doing about 15 degrees better than that as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, even into Friday here, staying well above average as we close out the rest of this work week. But then change is going to be coming our direction as we get into Saturday and Sunday. It is going to be a little bit breezy, too, on top of all of this. These two kind of work hand in hand. Those winds out of the south will kind of bump temperatures up, and then they start to increase again on Saturday and Sunday. That's as that next storm system starts to approach. Here's a look at that big picture of things here. That trough of low pressure starting to work its way up and over the Rocky Mountains as we get into Saturday and Sunday. You can see it's starting to really take shape across the upper Midwest by Saturday and Sunday. I think our rain chances, though, going to be a little bit tough to pin down the first day this week, and they may stay up to our north as we get into Saturday. We'll certainly kind of root for that as we try to salvage at least one day this weekend, but that'll pivot and kind of swing that frontal boundary on through as we get into Sunday, and I think that's going to be our better chance at picking up some rain, at least as of right now on the latest run of Feature Track. That looks like it's going to kind of work its way off toward the south and east fairly quickly as we get into Monday. That's going to lead to a cooler start to the work week, and it looks like that cool weather is going to stick around as we get into some of that long-term data. But looking at that 7-day forecast here, again, a little bit breezy as we get through tomorrow and Thursday, but that'll help out those temperatures a little bit of a trade-off here that we got to go through with Mother Nature as we get into this time of the year. But as we get into Saturday and Sunday, all eyes on those rain chances here that we're going to continue to track as we get into these next couple of days. But Sunday looks like the better bet to get wet here across mid-Missouri.